Episode number 2 of Monkey Baby Show. Let's start this. Oh my gosh, look at my banana. It's my birthday, so I get a banana. A very, very large banana. So, my mom and dad don't really like me having bananas, so can you keep the secret, Dad? Wait, what? Give me that banana! Okay. I want my banana back. You're gonna get it back when you're older, because only older kids can get the best bananas. Only older kids can handle the best bananas. Okay? Fun. I have a beak in my tail there. Bees are coming out of it. I'm going to take this banana away. No, don't take this banana away. This is the fastest I can run, and I'm running super fast. Uh-oh. This was the worst birthday ever. And, my brother, my big brother, like Lammy or whatever his name is, I forgot. He's off on vacation because he was going to get me, tickets on a cruise ship, but, he also wanted to go on the cruise ship, and he couldn't afford for both of us, so, he went, because he really wanted to go. So, yeah. What's that? It's a banana. A banana. A banana. I must keep this secret in my super secret safe that I found. It's a Walmart bag. Actually, no, it says Trader Joe's on it, but whatever. Put the banana in it. It's kind of falling out, but whatever. Wait. What's this big, weird-looking handy thing? It looks like a hand. Whatever. I have one on the back of my back. The safe is going down. Well, okay. I guess I could start eating that banana today because it is my birthday. Okay. What's that safe thing down there? And what's that yellow thing in? Oh, it's just yellow paper. Yeah, it's just yellow paper. What? Okay, fine. Okay, just make sure none of my family members are in the shot, okay? Okay. So, yeah, today I just wanted to say it's my birthday, and, once again, make sure none of my family members are in the shot. It's my birthday, and, what was that? What's that? Ah! I'm scared. I'm scared. At least I can get my banana to calm me down. Just gotta walk down the stairs. Get the banana. Bring it back up. Peel it, or have a big hand peel it for me. I'm not very good at controlling my hand, or the person's hand. Let me just peel there. Okay, I got a banana. Banani. big bite I took. Let me just take another big bite in private. That's a big bite I took. I'll finish it later. Okay, I want everyone to make sure that there is no family members in the shot. Okay? Okay, good. It's a good thing there's no family members in the shot. Okay. So, yeah. It's my birthday. I'm turning 4 months and 3 days old. Okay, so that's all I have to say. So, goodbye. Whoever threw that banana to me, thank you. But, goodbye. This is awkward. You still see me. Okay, once more. Goodbye. Dad, you got the camera? I think that the button is right here.